This is the ingredient preparation process. Please press the button to turn on the water. Please wash the carrots thoroughly in water and place them in a basket. Peel the leeks and onions, then wash them thoroughly in water and place them in a basket. Desired course. This is the store cleaning process. Please use a mop to clean the dirty areas of the floor. Please open the tissue box and refill it. Please fill the cup on the black plate. Place the basket in the dishwasher. Close the dishwasher door. Please wait a moment until the dishwashing cycle